Hello my friends, Ellen here. Hope you're having a wonderful day and welcome to all my new and returning subscribers to episode 157 on Ellen's Homemade Delights. My friends, it is that time of the year, Mardi Gras and Carnival season. So today I'm going to make a classic Louisiana dish. This is also in collaboration. I am collaborating with my good friend Tom over at Cooking with TomTom. We're going to do a Mardi Gras collaboration. Tom is going to make lemon garlic shrimp. That sounds delicious, my friend. And I'm going to make the Louisiana staple, Louisiana Creole red beans and rice. It's going to be so delicious, flavorful, and everybody will enjoy this recipe. And it's going to be so warm and comforting. All right, you ready? Let's go make some red bean magic in my southern kitchen. All right, in my crock pot, I added 1 pound of red kidney beans, and I added a glass or 2 of water and a ham. And you can use a ham hock or smoked turkey. And now we're going to cover it. All right, my friend, this is what our beans look like. Don't that look good? And look at that ham. All right, that looks great. All right, in my pot, I added some olive oil, and we're going to add in a pound of andouille sausage that I sliced. My friends, do you hear that sizzle? Oh yeah, baby. All we do is let our sausage saute until it's nice and brown. All right, my friends, our sausage is nice and brown. So next we're going to add in our Trinity, which is onion, celery, and bell peppers, a must-have in Cajun and Creole cooking. And we're going to add in some salt and some crushed red pepper flakes to help the vegetables sweat. We're going to stir all together, and we're going to let these cook until it's nice and fragrant. Oh my friends, it smells amazing up in here. Ain't nothing like the smell of andouille sausage and the Trinity. All right, our last ingredient, we're going to add in 3 cloves of garlic, minced, and we're going to let this continue cooking for 3 minutes. All right, my friends, our sausage and Trinity is done, and I added the beans and the ham right into the pot to get the flavor of the sausage and the Trinity. And next we're going to add in 1 can of diced tomatoes, and I drained some of the juice. Our seasonings, I'm using salt, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, ground thyme, and little cayenne pepper, and some sugar to cut the acidity from the tomatoes. Gonna give all this a quick stir. And all we do is bring this to a boil. All right, my friends, our beans has come to a boil, so all we do is cover them. And we're going to turn the fire down to medium-low, and we're going to let these babies cook until the beans is nice and tender and all the seasonings soak in for about 1.5 hours. It's going to be one amazing pot of red beans. All right, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. All right, my friends, there you have it, red beans. Look at the tender beans and the tomatoes and the andouille sausage. Ooh wee, that looks good, and it smells amazing in this kitchen. All right, I got my rice ready and I got my cornbread in the oven, so as soon as everything gets done, we'll be ready to give it a taste. We'll be back. All right, my friends, I got my cornbread on the side, and this is my homemade cornbread recipe. I'll post a link to that video down below in the description box. All right, give me a little rice, bean. Lord have mercy. All right, here we go. That is the bomb.com. It's flavorful. Has a nice kick to it. That is some delicious red beans and rice, my friends. This deserves another bite, and I'm gonna try the sausage and the cornbread. Oh, the sausage is nice and tender. Delicious. Wow, Tom, I had a wonderful time doing this collaboration with you. And I'll post a link to his Lemon Creole Shrimp recipe and to his channel down below in the description box. Well, I want to thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Let's eat and happy Mardi Gras.